Built like a tank. 16-inch heavy-duty steel toolbox. Unbreakable, tough as nails, and ready for any job. Say hello to the last toolbox you'll ever need. The HantekSteel 16-inch heavy-duty portable toolbox is built from 18-gauge solid steel, making it a beast in the world of tool storage. This ain't no flimsy plastic box. This steel fortress keeps your tools locked down, organized, and ready for action. The reinforced metal latch ensures a tight, secure close, while the matte grip handle makes carrying effortless. Whether you're a mechanic, a handyman, or just tired of cheap toolboxes falling apart, this powder-coated, scratch-resistant, heavy-duty warrior is here to save the day. Why settle for less when you can have industrial-grade toughness? The removable tray lets you neatly store small items like screws, nails, and glue while leaving ample space for power tools, wrenches, and hammers. This metal monster won't warp, crack, or buckle under pressure, unlike those plastic alternatives. Designed with 4 protective rubber feet, it won't scratch your surfaces and stays rock solid even on slick workbenches. If you want a toolbox that holds its ground and takes a beating without flinching, this is it. Efficiency is key, and this quick access, zero-fuss design saves you both time and effort. The heavy-duty metal latch means one-click security, no struggling with weak clips or flimsy locks. Need to grab your tools in a hurry? No problem. The compact, space-saving size makes it perfect for garages, workbenches, cars, and job sites. When you need to be on the go, the reinforced middle support ensures the lid stays steady, while the ergonomic handle means all-day comfort. Time is money. Why waste it on cheap toolboxes that break in a year? This steel-built, powder-coated, heavy-duty beauty is designed to last a lifetime. It's shock-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and built to handle 150 pounds of tools without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, this toolbox pays for itself by keeping your tools safe, secure, and organized for years to come. This isn't just a toolbox, it's an investment in durability and efficiency. If you want unmatched quality at an unbeatable price, the HantekSteel 16-inch heavy-duty toolbox is your go-to-work companion. Stop wasting cash on weak toolboxes, buy this once, and you're set for life.